on the 24Option platform on June the 18th, 2012 during the London session. This was a USD-JPY 60-second binary, and as you can see, it was a call option with a little bit of pain at the beginning, but nicely rose up in the direction I wanted. So basically, I'm going to go through with you why it was a success and basically show you the chart work. So over here is the MetaTrader chart that I trade off of, the 1 minute chart. And as you can see, it was sort of ranging, just moving back and forth. And as you can, over here, you can see it was sort of playing with the 50 EMA that I have here as a sort of trend line. So we would hit off of the 50 EMA and head back up. And same thing over here, same thing over here. But it finally broke down through here. And what this became for me, these candles here where it sort of reacted, went through the Bollinger Band and then came back up. This area became a support line for me. So when it came back down to that area again, I basically waited and watched, and then I took my trade, and which was a simple call option. Now at the beginning, when I placed my trade, which was probably right around in the middle of this candle, it went against me for a little bit and sort of dotted back and forth. And as you can see, if you look very carefully, very, very small dips. But overall, just rose up from there and went green and was perfect. No RSI, no stochastic usage. This was simple support and resistance. I think I guess for myself, is that don't be afraid to draw trend lines or to draw support and resistance lines, because drawing lines is fun and all that, but it can be actually really useful in getting an idea of what traders are trying to do. And something that I often do is I'll zoom out to other time frames and just look out and see what is the areas that price is sort of bouncing off of, and then you can draw trend lines and support and resistance lines from those. And so from there you can get a much better picture in your smaller time frames. Like for example, I'm trading the 1 minute time frame, which is very well known for having a ton of noise. But when you have a trend line a support line like this, it becomes a good sort of safety net that you can just trust, and you know that, hey, maybe it might go down for a little bit, but the higher time frames and the bigger sellers and bigger buyers, they're going to look at those support and resistance areas, and it'll work to your advantage. So that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions whatsoever, don't be hesitating to ask them. I'm happy to help out. I'm just an amateur. I'm new to binary options myself. It's about now 4 months in of trading binaries actively, and I may not have all the answers to questions, but I'll definitely look into it and I'll definitely try stuff. Also, I've been thinking of trying to try indicators that people have been recommending to me, so I'll be trying to see what I can do with that. If you have something that you'd like me to test out, I will put it in my queue and I'll see if I can add it to my MetaTrader chart and see how it works, and then give my thoughts and opinions on it. It may not be super useful, but hey, maybe you might enjoy it or not. Depends. Anyways, thanks again for watching. Hope to see you soon, and good luck with your trading.